Is it the right time to make a decision on Chevron stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Chevron. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on all of our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed and not miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our brand new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 31, 2023, our system has identified Chevron as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.80. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Interestingly, Chevron has actually outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 1.29%. This means that on average, the stock has yielded a daily return of 0.32% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, presenting a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $143.82 is broken, it could indicate a stronger decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -2.93% change over the next 3 months. The potential return could range between -5.42% and 11.07%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected -10.95% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -13.24% and 3.37%. In terms of price, it may range from $128.06 to $152.59 after a year. Our latest update on Chevron brings us the headline, Red Day on Friday for Chevron. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, Chevron's stock price experienced a decline of 0.773%, dropping from $148.76 to $147.61. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.75%, reaching a low of $146.15 and a high of $148.71. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in a total decline of 11.52%. Notably, although volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $1.83 billion worth of Chevron shares, equivalent to 12 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Chevron was $189.68, while the lowest was $143.82. Presently, the stock price stands at $147.61, marking a 22.18% decrease, or $42.07, from the 52-week high. It's important to note that $189.68 also represents the all-time high for Chevron stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein upgraded Chevron with an outperform grade. On Monday, October 30, 2023, Raymond James upgraded Chevron with a buy grade. On Monday, October 30, 2023, Raymond James maintained CVX outperform grade. On Monday, October 30, 2023, Bank of America Securities upgraded Chevron with a buy grade. On Thursday, October 12, 2023, Exane BNP Paribas upgraded Chevron with an outperform grade. Did you know that the average person spends around 6 hours and 42 minutes on the internet each day? That's a significant amount of time. But have you ever wondered how the internet actually works? Well, in simple terms, the internet is a global network of computers that are connected to each other. These computers communicate through a system called the Internet Protocol, which allows them to send and receive information. The internet works by using a technology called packet switching. When you send a message or request something from a website, your computer breaks down the information into small packets. These packets then travel through various routers and switches across the internet until they reach their destination. Once there, the packets are reassembled to form the complete message or web page. Now, you might be wondering, how does your computer know where to send the packets? That's where IP addresses come in. Every device connected to the internet has a unique IP address, which acts as its virtual location. When you send a packet, it includes the IP address of the destination device, allowing it to find the correct path. But how does your computer know which IP address corresponds to a specific website? That's where the domain name system, DNS, comes in. Instead of remembering a series of numbers, like IP addresses, we use domain names, like youtube.com. When you type a domain name into your browser, the DNS translates it into the corresponding IP address, allowing your computer to connect to the correct server. So, the next time you browse the internet, remember that it's not magic. It's a complex network of computers and protocols working together to bring you the information you're looking for. Understanding how the internet works can help you navigate it more effectively and make the most of your online experience. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Chevron stock. The Chevron stock is showing mixed signals. In the short term, the moving average suggests a buy signal. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, the overall forecast for the stock is more negative. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $161.83. On the other hand, if it falls, there is some support from the short-term average at $147.32. Breaking above the long-term average would give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average would strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign that the stock should be monitored closely. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 2.52% increase so far. It suggests that further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that you should keep an eye on. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which is indicating a sell. Next, we have the pivot signal, which gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the Bollinger signal also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average signal also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average signal gave a sell signal 11 days ago. Now, let's look at the relation between the short and long moving averages, which gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 11 days ago. However, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 4 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Chevron. Chevron stock finds support from accumulated volume at $146.09. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. In terms of daily movements, this stock has average volatility, making the risk considered medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $2.56, or 1.75%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.99%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Chevron. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could indicate that the market has lower expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued. This could present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for Jan 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.86. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Chevron. If the market shows an upward trend, Chevron's first resistance level is at $156.65. If you're not currently invested in the stock, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already hold shares, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Chevron encounters its first support level at $146.09. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, as it may indicate a potential rebound in the stock's price. Today, we're going to dive into some recent insider trades. Let's see what's been happening. On August 25, 2023, Cynthia J. Warner made an insider purchase of 24 shares of Phantom stock. Charles W. Mormon also conducted an insider purchase on the same day, buying 282 shares of Phantom stock. Marilyn A. Hewson joined in with a purchase of 242 shares of Phantom stock on August 25, 2023. Back on August 11, Pierre R. Breber made a significant insider purchase, buying 25,000 shares of common stock. But it wasn't all buying. On the same day, Pierre R. Breber also sold 25,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Now, let's crunch some numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 27.427. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 531,785 shares and sold 268,503 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Chevron stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Chevron currently holds several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. As we look ahead to trading on Monday, November 6, we anticipate Chevron to open down $0.120 and begin trading at $147.49. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please don't solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? We're eager to hear from you. If you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest stock insights and trading tips. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.